Hey guys, this is your tutorial for Wednesday, March 31st. Make sure you fill out the attendance question linked right here. It's just one simple question that you answer about today's lesson or the information that we went over today. And that way we can give you credit for attending the session, quote unquote, since we're asynchronous. But also remember that you can also get credit for attendance for doing your activity for the day. So checklist items for today. Keep working on your forces in motion vocabulary. That's already been assigned to you guys and it's due on April 22nd. So it's a ways away, but you know what? At least you have it. You can work on it a little bit every now and again, and that way you'll have it done early and you can get it turned in by the due date. Today you're going to be doing an Edpuzzle, and it's going to be on Newton's laws. So if you look in Google Classroom, you will see that the Edpuzzle is assigned to you under the Classwork tab. It covers Newton's first, second, and third laws of motion, and it goes over those different types of laws with riding go-karts and stuff like that. So once you've done your Edpuzzle, make sure that you do any missing work that you have for science and ask your teachers if you have any questions. Thanks.